You want to know how to promote affiliate links through email without spamming people, right? I've tested all the most popular software options, and in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it properly, avoid spam filters, and actually get clicks. Stick around because I'll also show you where to get an exclusive free trial of the software I personally recommend, available only to viewers of this channel. Let's jump straight in. First, understand this. Affiliate email marketing isn't about blasting random links. If you do that, you will end up in the spam folder, or worse, get your email service banned. The right way? Focus on value first. Start by building a clean email list. That means people who actually opted in never buy a list. The software we'll be using makes it super simple to manage your list and segment based on interest, so you're not sending irrelevant offers. Now, when crafting your email, avoid putting your affiliate link directly in the first few lines. Warm up your reader, start with a relatable problem they're facing, then lead into the solution, your recommendation. Only then introduce the affiliate link, ideally cloaked or shortened, and placed naturally within the context of your message. A simple formula: problem, insight, solution, soft CTA. Don't scream, buy this. Instead, say something like, here's what helped me. And it might help you too. This soft sell approach works way better, avoids spam triggers, and builds trust. Next, format matters. Keep your emails short and scannable. Use plain text or very light formatting. Spam filters love flashy buttons and heavy HTML. Our software gives you templates optimized for deliverability. Just plug in your content. Also, always use your real name and a real reply to email. It boosts credibility and trust. And don't forget your unsubscribe link. It's legally required and helps keep your list healthy. Now, this is important. Don't send affiliate links in your first email ever to a new subscriber. Start with a welcome sequence that builds trust. Educate first, promote later. The software we'll be using lets you set this up automatically with a drag and drop flow. Super easy. Want to avoid the spam folder entirely? Personalize your emails. Use the subscriber's name. Mention previous interactions or downloads if possible. Personalization signals to Gmail and Outlook that this is a real message, not a promo blast. We're almost done, but here's something most people miss. Track your results. The software we're using gives you built-in analytics to see open rates, clicks, and even revenue per email. This helps you improve every campaign and keep things compliant. So what's the key takeaway? Promoting affiliate links through email without spam isn't about tricking the system. It's about creating genuine value, segmenting smartly, writing like a human, and using the right tools. Quick recap. 1. Build a clean opt-in list. 2. Write value-first emails, not spammy pitches. 3. Use cloaked affiliate links naturally. 4. Keep formatting simple and personal. 5. Track your results and improve over time. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with the same tool I'm using, there's an exclusive free trial, just for Dan Thorne viewers, linked in the description below. It makes all of this faster and more effective. That's it, straight to the point. Now go implement this and stop sending emails that get ignored.